Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create your first Terraform module to launch an EC2 instance on AWS. So what is a Terraform module? It is just a set of .tf files organized together so you can reuse the code instead of repeating EC2 definitions in multiple projects. So we can create a module once and reuse it whenever needed. So let's start the video guys. So here I am in my VS Code. So here I am creating in my folder I am creating a Terraform EC2 folder. So in this folder guys I will be creating multiple files. So let's say main.tf. So as you all know, to create Terraform files, we will be having main.tf, variables.tf and output.tf. These are basic things to create a Terraform infrastructure. So I have created a Terraform EC2 folder. So where this, let's say this is my EC2 module. So where I will be storing my EC2 code. So instead of writing every time writing the code, I will be using this code as a module. So let's start. So I am writing in my main.tf in my Terraform EC2. I have started to create a resource by name web. So I am creating an AWS instance resource. So in detail, I have created in my previous video an Amazon EC2. So there you can refer that video guys. So that code also you can use in this module. So as of now I'm using simple resource block. So where I'm using AWS EC2, so I'm using in the resource section I am using AMI. So AMI I have variabilized AMI ID. Instance type also I have variabilized by using var.instance type. So next I am using key name. So after that I will be using a tag. So this is my basic AWS EC2 resource. So in this I am using AMI, instance type, key name and tag. So tag is var.instance name. So all these four variables, so I have tried to variabilize these things. In these variables I will be writing in my variables.tf. So let's start by writing. So variable AMI ID I am trying to describe it. So this is my AMI ID variable, so that I have used in main.tf. I am describing it here. So the description here is AMI ID to use for the instance. So basically the AMI ID we will be getting in the AWS console. So for every different type of AWS EC2 instance we will be having a different AMI ID, so that we will be using. So type it is string. So next what I will be doing, I will be using instance type as a variable. So description, so EC2 instance type, what type of instance, let's say T2 micro we want to use, so that I will be using. So type it will be string only here. So after that, so guys this is instance type. So after that I will be using key name. So let's say description I am giving some EC2 key pair name. So the key pair I will be having in my AWS console. I will be creating key, that key name I will be using here. Again type is equal to string. So in these variables I am not giving any default values. These values can be changed in my module, so which we will be looking after this. So next I am giving description, name of the instance, instance name, type is string here. So as you can see, all the variables, 4 variables I have given. After giving these 4 variables, the red line has been disappeared, so it is taking those variables. So again in the output we will be giving some outputs. So when the infrastructure is created, these attributes will be shown. So value is equal to AWS instance.web. This is the resource. So dot, if I click dot, I will be getting multiple attributes. So I will be using an ID attribute here. So after this, again another output I will be creating. So after instance ID I will be creating public IP output. So now as you can see, I will be giving name of the output as public IP. So again you can give description here also. So again value, so attribute I am selecting as public IP from this list. So as you can see, like my code for the EC2 has been completed. So main.tf, variables t.tf and output.tf has been completed. So I have not given any variables here. So let's say I want to use this code as a module. So every time every time I want to create a resource, so that I will be you will be using as a module. So let's create another folder, examples. In that I have created basics, another folder. In there I have written main.tf. So I will be using main.tf here. So in this main.tf I will be referring this module. So what and all I have written Terraform EC2 these 3 files, I will be referring this in my main.tf. So instead, every time hard coding for every resource creation, I can use this main.tf. I can change some values here. So easily I can create a resource by referring to the module. So provider, as we can give, AWS is the provider. So region, I will be giving AP South 1 here. So after this, so I have selected Mumbai as a region. So provider block is over. So next is the very important block. So next what I will be using, I will be using a module block. So after this, so I will be referring my source code, my module from in this main.tf. This is a main.tf but different main.tf. It is in examples basics. So in this main.tf, I am using module EC2 instance. This is the name of the module. So this is the very important thing, source, sorry. So from where I am referring the module, so // so basically this is the previous directory. So cd double dot back directory. So 2 directories back, in there I am having Terraform EC2 folder. So I am telling the module that refer that folder. So again I am giving AMI ID. So this AMI ID create the resource using this AMI ID. So instance type, so there I have not given anything, just I have put variables there only. So now I am giving those variables name here. So key name, so Terraform module. So this is a key pair I have already created in my AWS console. So again, instance name I can give anything. So demo instance I will be giving. So these things are complete now. So instead of using hard coding the values there, I have used a module. So I am referring that module. So I am giving these values. So what Terraform will be doing using this module, it will be creating the resources. So the code is completed. Let's say output.tf, variable.tf, everything is completed. So now I am in my git bash. So I am in my folder, where basics folder, where I am having main.tf module folder. So let's say, so I am doing it is a Terraform init. So after initializing, it has successfully initialized. So what I will be doing, so you can see it is initialized the modules from that source folder. So I will be doing Terraform format. So already it's a very small file, it's done. So now what I will be doing, Terraform validate. So Terraform will validate all the resources, what and all I have written in this code, those are correct or not. So like it will try to validate those resources. So after the Terraform validate, it is success. Now what I will be doing, I will be trying to do Terraform plan. So as you can see, I am in this module folder. It is referring to that module Terraform EC2 and trying to create the resources. So after Terraform plan, so you can see plan 1 to add. As our code is very small, it is having only one EC2, so it will add. So after this I will be after this I will be doing Terraform apply. So as soon as I have done Terraform apply, it will try to create a resource. So after this, once the Terraform is, it is asking me a value, yes, I have to give yes. So after this, see, as you can see, we have created successfully an instance by using module, Terraform module. So next we will try to add some more resources. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Next we will be coming with some more resources. In this we will be adding some more resources. I will meet you in next video. Thank you.